is 21st June 2023, which makes it exactly 1 month since I filled my fuel tank, and that's before the swearing in of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where he actually cancelled the petroleum subsidy, which increased the fuel price. And so today now will be the first time I would be buying filling up my tank, since the fuel price, the hike in fuel price. It's not like I don't drive my car. I drive my car every day, but I actually don't go far. Maybe because I have a boring life. My office is not far from my house. It's about a 10 to 15 minute drive, and so I think that's basically the reason why my fuel actually lasted for 30 days. Now is the moment of truth for me to understand if this I need to change to, I need to go and research on the best car to use, because okay, right now I'm going to be filling up a 2010 Toyota Camry. I use a 2010 Toyota Camry, and my car is on red. So I'm going to show you the dashboard of my fuel gauge. It's on red already. Let's be on our way to the gas station and see how much I'll be paying for a full tank for the very first time. I feel heartbroken already. All right, guys, see you at the gas station. Okay, guys, so I'm at the gas station, and I think here they're selling for $5.43. Yeah. So let me show you. It's you can see the price. So it's not my turn yet, but when it starts, I'm going to show you the process. I'm just so curious on what I'll be buying henceforth against the 14,000 I usually buy for a full tank. Yes, I usually buy 14,000 to 15K for a full tank for my Toyota Camry 2010. This is the Toyota Camry. This is how it looks like. So for those who actually don't really know cars like that, but this is the Toyota Camry 2010. Yeah, I think the difference between 8 and 10 is the light, according to experts. Hey, it's going, it's still going. 32,000, 33,000. Hey,
you never see anything. You just start. You never see anything.
Hey, WAHALA. It's a WAHALA something. Okay, this is 39K. Oh, okay, they're not done yet.
Not be juju be that.
Baba and Rekpo 40,000. Elowa the salary wa buy. Hey, Ọlọ́run gbà wá. Okay, I think we're almost done. Except Oga is trying to make it get to 45,000 by all means anyways, but we are getting close. 43,586 for a full tank. All right, I guess that's it. Okay guys, so I'm back home, and yes, so I spent roughly 44,000 against the 14,000 naira I used to fill up my tank with. That's such a huge difference. Yep, I guess you can see. Yep, that's it for a full tank. I hope I get used to this, or consider researching a better car that consumes fuel less than mine. I hear Corolla is way better. I don't know, but for now I just have to get used to this hike in subsidy. But it's all good. It's for the benefit of the country, I guess. So that's it for now, guys. Bye, and see you all on my next rant. Bye.
You say you want the man we go do you better. Olowo to no dollar. The king mama meta. Sexy jola jalo dina later. I'ma how they feel you.